south, east and west. We come to put the world to the test. From the Azteca to the Jersey Shore, hear the 48 nations roar. Canada, Mexico, USA, lead the way. Argentina, Brazil come out to play. Uruguay, Colombia, Ecuador's pride, Paraguay, Chile, Peru on the right, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica in the mix, Curaçao and Suriname join the 2026. From Germany, England in the chase, Spain, Portugal, Netherlands find their space, Italy, Croatia, Belgium stand strong, Switzerland, Austria, Norway belong, Scotland, Czechia, Poland in the fight, Sweden, Denmark, Turkey shining bright, Morocco, Senegal, Ivory Coast rise, Egypt, Nigeria, Algeria seek the prize, Tunisia, Ghana, South Africa call, Cameroon, Mali, DR Congo stand tall, South Korea, Australia on the run, Saudi Arabia, Iran under the sun, Uzbekistan, Jordan, Qatar in the heat, Iraq, New Zealand make the world complete. 48 jerseys, one golden dream, the biggest World Cup that we've ever seen. I have generated a high energy global stadium portrait to go with these lyrics. You can play the music now in our chat with 48 teams competing across 3 host nations. In 2026 World Cup is set to be the biggest ever. I've written a special roll call anthem that includes the qualified and competing nations for this historic tournament. The unity anthem. 48 nations. From the north to the south, east to the west. In 26, we bring our best. 3 hosts, 1 goal. The world is here. 48 nations. Let the world hear. Canada, Mexico, USA, the home of the game. Argentina, Brazil carrying the flame. Colombia, Morocco, Ecuador, might Paraguay, Chile, Peru in delight, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica so sweet, Curaçao and Suriname making history complete. France, Germany, England take the field. Spain, Portugal, Netherlands never yield. Italy, Croatia, Belgium standing tall. Switzerland, Austria, Norway answer the call. Scotland, Czechia, Poland in the race. Sweden, Denmark, Turkey setting the pace. Morocco, Senegal, Ivory Coast pride. Egypt, Nigeria, Algeria on the right. Tunisia, Ghana, South Africa roar. Cameroon, Mali, DR Congo score. Japan, South Korea, Senegal fire. Saudi Arabia, Iran aiming higher. Uzbekistan, Jordan, Qatar in the sun. Iraq and New Zealand, the battle's begun. One world, one ball, one destiny. In 2026, we're one family. I have also produced a high-energy stadium at the Shack that captures this global spirit. It is ready for you to play right